Enjoy the outdoors while you still can, as a wet and cool pattern is on our front doorstep. Weather Authority meteorologist Emily Santum joins us now. And Emily, could you break down this pattern for us, please?
Well, we're tracking some big changes in the forecast, Stephanie. Here's our temperature trend for the coastline and more inland the next couple of days. Now, we're going to be in the 80s for Wednesday, but check this out, down into the 60s, near 70 degrees for the weekend. And speaking of much cooler temperatures, we're seeing a lot of rain as well. Plenty of rain chances well throughout the remainder of this week. Into next week and early next week, we're looking at widespread chances for Thursday night into Friday, but the rain's not going away anytime soon. So what's the Climate Prediction Center saying about this, especially for the next 6 to 10 days? Here's a look at the temperature outlook for the central and eastern portions of the United States. We're looking at below normal temperatures, above normal temperatures out on the west coast. Now, closer to home, we're looking near normal temperature-wise, so just around the 60-70 degree mark. And on the precip side, it's really a toss-up. We're looking at above normal temperatures out in Colorado, down in Texas, below normal temps for northern United States, and much more closer to home, we're looking at slightly above normal precip outlook for the next 6 to 10 days once again. So when exactly does this pattern begin? Let's bring in Chief Meteorologist Charlie Lepresti, who has the latest in your Weather Authority forecast. Charlie?
Hey, Emily, it was bound to happen anytime here. Of course, we've had a great stretch of weather. The weekend was great. The first part of the week was great. And you need some rain from time to time. It looks like we're going to get that pretty much every single day starting tomorrow. Let's see, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Each day should feature at least some rain in the form of showers, thunderstorms, rain, and drizzle. So it'll be different types of rain, we'll call it, in the coming days.